Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access biometrics and password. Now tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. After that, you need to tap on Add Full Shell Profile at the bottom. Click on Get Started and keep your face in frame. Remember to follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to, and when you're ready, click on Done. Over here, adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, switch off your device and switch it back on. As you can see after that, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you wish to delete your face data, click on Face Recognition again. Then enter your screen lock. Scroll all the way down and choose your profile. Then click on Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!